When am I going to get to Lukla? Tomorrow?
I am in Kathmandu and my main kit bag and equipment bag is stuck in Mumbai. Good morning, day 2, Everest summit. It is normal busyness in Kathmandu. We are trying to find a wide angle camera lens but having no luck, and bags are in Mumbai.
When am I going to get to Lukla? Tomorrow?
Unfortunately today you don't have your bags, Gary, so I'm very sorry about that, but tomorrow we're trying our best, and then we have a flight ticket for you for tomorrow, so which is like around 7-8, and these 2 guys are also going with you, and then we'll wait up to the 10 or 11 only, and then if that thing doesn't happen, then we'll try to put you in a heli, in a sharing base.
Right, while I'm in Kathmandu, come to Smiles Dental Clinic to get my teeth checked and clean. I might as well, because I've got nothing else to do while I wait for my bags to come to Kathmandu. This is what a kilo of steak looks like. Yeah.
Okay, so day 2 Everest summit update. I am in Kathmandu and my main kit bag and equipment bag is stuck in Mumbai. I've got an air tag in the bag and it is in Mumbai. Lots of back and forth with the airport and Indigo today. There's another lady as well that I met at the airport at the counter. Her bag is also stuck and it was an oversized bag as well, and it didn't make Kathmandu. We're both in the same situation. So now we just have to wait and hope that kit bag comes tomorrow. Now I was meant to fly to Lukla this morning. That can't happen. I can't fly tomorrow morning because I've not got my kit still. So I'm now looking to fly in about 36 hours instead. So just really fingers crossed that I get that bag and get off to Lukla as soon as possible.